Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we'll be learning how to multiply any number with 13. In this example, 23,132 times 13. Step 1. Insert zeros at the ends of the number. Put 0 before 2 and 0 after the last number 2. Then triple the digits and add the neighbors. The neighbor is the number on the right. So you start with 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 0 equals 6. Then 3 times 3 equals 9 plus 2 equals 11. Since this is a two-digit number, you will have a carryover. And then we move on to the next digit. 1 times 3 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. As you add the neighbors, don't forget to add the carryovers. So 6 plus 1 is 7. And then 3 times 3 equals 9 plus 1 equals 10 with a carryover of 1. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 3 equals 9 plus the carryover of 1 equals 10. Then 0 times 3 equals 0 plus 2 equals 2 plus the carryover 1. Then that becomes 3. And there you got the final answer. So 23,132 times 13 equals 300,716. See how easy that was? Try it yourself. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.